Smart Scouts.
Welcome to smartscouts.ph Learning Filipino for Beginners, Part 3. In our first two videos, we were able to learn the abacada and some animals and their Filipino words. This time, we will be taking up insects. Before going to our main topic for today, let's have a short review on the animals or mga hayop. Lion, leon. Tiger, tigre. Elephant, elepante. Pig, baboy. Cat, pusa. Rabbit, conejo. Good job! Magaling! Now let's learn some Filipino insect words. Take note that we'll be using the singular form of the words. Ant, langgam. Bee, bubuyog. Butterfly, paru-paro. Cockroach, ipis. Spider, gagamba. Beetle, salagubang. Caterpillar, higad. Dragonfly, tutubi. Flea, pulgas. Mosquito, lamok. Housefly, langaw. Grasshopper, tipaklong. Moth, gamo-gamo. Wasp, putakti. Firefly, alitap-tap. Termite, anay. Cricket, kuliglig. Good job, and listen to this. Here are some learning tips that could help you, brought to you by Smart Scouts. Firstly, make sure to listen carefully with the intonation in every word and repeat. Secondly, remember to take the lessons one step at a time. Start with the basic words, then make simple word combinations. Lastly, keep in mind that practice makes perfect. You can do it. Or we say, kaya mo yan. Now, let's have a review. Ant, langgam, langgam. Bee, bubuyog, bubuyog. Butterfly, paru-paro, paro-paro. Cockroach, ipis, ipis. Spider, gagamba, gagamba. Beetle, salagubang, salagubang. Caterpillar, higad, higad. Dragonfly, tutubi, tutubi. Flea, pulgas, pulgas. Mosquito, lamok. Housefly, langaw, langaw. Grasshopper, tipaklong, tipaklong. Moth, gamo-gamo, gamo-gamo. Wasp, putakti, putakti. Firefly, alitap-tap, alitap-tap. Termite, anay, anay. Cricket, kuliglig, kuliglig. Good job! Mahusay, magaling. Always review our videos for mastery. Thank you for learning with us and hope to see you in our next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Check out our next video and the link in the description below.